Jessica Nkosi and her husband are expecting another baby, a third one if I'm not mistaken. And she just took to her socials revealing this good news, writing that again and again, God continues to be so good to us. All my dreams are coming true. We thank and praise God for this new addition to our family. Congratulations to them. Just recently, you will remember she was very angry, reminding people to respect her and to remember one thing and one thing only, should they choose to forget anything about her, that she is a married woman. And social media was very noisy then, with people reminding her that her husband allegedly cheated on her or something like that after the birth of their first child. So she must relax and calm down and stop defending her marriage the way she is, because men will embarrass you nonetheless. And still on marriage, if what Promise Makunyane's husband keeps on posting is anything to go by, their marriage is really in ICU. At this point, I'm convinced that Promise Makunyane's marriage is dissolving or has already dissolved, because there's no way this man can be acting this foolish online just for no reason. Let's go through some of the things that Promise did in advance to secure herself and her kids. Firstly, she slowly detached herself from the My Husband This, My Husband That brand. Then made sure to gain financial independence. Went on to build this home for her kids by herself, because she keeps calling it a forever living home, meaning she brought it to life through forever living. While she's doing all these boss moves away from her husband is continuing to flaunt his so-called friend, this one, on his social media platform. And he continues to switch off the comments, because obviously he knows people are going to come for him. And everyone is now saying, since Makunyane replaced Shoki with Promise, this is Promise's replacement. And I must say, I feel like one of these days when Promise is ready to talk, she's going to come out here and tell us she's been single. On other news, this old picture of Kanyimba with Bona Mateba has resurfaced, and social media is having a field day with this one, okay? You know, both ladies have worked on themselves, even though Kanye did a little bit too much. Now, while a lot of people are laughing, looking at this picture, even calling them handsome here, someone said that they once posted this picture on Twitter and tagged them both. However, long story short, Bona Mateba blocked them. Moving right along, y'all remember just recently Tammy Ampisani went to Turkey for her mommy makeover, right? Well, she took to her socials to debut her new body, and let me tell you, she looks all kinds of amazing. Even though people are out here saying that with this new body, Andile is gonna give her a sixth child. Michael, it seems like he's gonna be revealing everything in her unfiltered raw moments, from Zumbe to the matriarch charts, and she's even talking about Mayeni left, right, and center.
emzumbe akekho umuntu ogadile
ngayihlekisa mina ney'ngane zami.
umbona ngithula kumina
Yimina owenza ukuthi lo mbono lo ungafiki. Uyena ohamba phambili umayeni ongangifuni laphayana ngoba wazi ukuthi uye umamkhulu. For years bengiphila lokhonsha ukuthi angiphikisani nawe. Akenze into yakhe yesithembu.
Some people reacting to this are saying that the fact that Musa went and married Mayeni right after marrying Makele is the thing that's killing Makele. She will forever feel like Musa's heart has always been with Mayeni and she was second choice. At the back of her mind, she believes Musa settled for her as first wife only because her family were not against polygamy, but his first choice was Mayeni. Some are stunned by her views on this clip, saying, isn't she the very same Makele who said she left Muzumbe even before the other wives moved? Now all of a sudden it's Mayeni's fault? Very strange. This is how Makele feels, or rather talks about Mayeni, when Mayeni never said anything about being Mamkulu or even about Makele. But Makele, on the other hand, is forever on Mayeni's case. What are your thoughts, fam? Do you feel like she's intimidated by Mayeni and will forever have insecurities when it comes to that? Let's take it to the comment section. Also, remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye and thank you for watching.